In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Chrome Web Store extension in the Brave browser. If you're new to Brave or just getting comfortable with extensions, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process and share helpful tips along the way. Start by launching the Brave browser on your computer. You can use any platform where Brave is installed. Once it's open, head to the Chrome Web Store by typing chrome.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. Brave is built on the same engine as Chrome, so it supports most Chrome extensions directly from the web store. At the top left of the store, you'll see a search bar. Type the name of the extension you want and press Enter. Take a moment to look through the results and pick the one that matches your needs. It's a good idea to check the publisher name, the star rating, and how many users have installed it, since those details can help you gauge reliability. Click the extensions listing to open its details page. Here you'll find an overview, screenshots, and reviews. Skimming the description and recent feedback can help you understand what the extension does and whether it's actively maintained. When you're ready, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the button that says Add to Brave. In some cases, the button may say Add to Chrome. Either way, Brave will handle the installation just fine. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm permissions. This is an important step. Read through the requested access carefully so you understand what data the extension can see or change. If everything looks right and you trust the source, go ahead and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Brave will download and install the extension, and you'll usually see a brief notification confirming that it's been added. Next, access your new extension. Many extensions place an icon in the toolbar near the address bar. If you don't see it, click the small puzzle piece icon. That opens your extensions menu where you can find the one you just installed. To keep it handy, click the pin icon next to its name so it appears in the toolbar. You can also reach this area through the three-line menu, then Extensions, and then Manage Extensions if you prefer a full-page view. That's it. You've installed an extension in Brave from the Chrome Web Store, reviewed its permissions, and pinned it for quick access. Enjoy your enhanced browsing, and remember to install only what you need and keep your extensions up to date.